Hello and welcome to Culminate Your Life. Today I'm super excited to share with you all a DIY Tuxedo Owl as part of our Button and Pearls series. I thought it would be great since Valentines is just around the corner. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We would love to have you as part of our family. Please be sure to click the notification bell so that you're notified whenever we post to the channel. Thanks again for watching. Let's get started with this DIY. These are the supplies that you will need for this project.
Mod Podge, glitter, I'm using silver, an owl, which I purchased from Walmart, a bowl or a plate to put your glitter on, to shake your glitter into, and pearls. I have ivory pearls here, as well as, of course, some bling wrap, silver bling wrap, which I purchased from Michael's, and a bow tie, these blinged out bow ties for an embellishment. It was a pack of 5. And scissors, E6000, and your hot glue gun and glue sticks. And I also have these pliers here, or you could actually use scissors to break the back off of the blinged out button. So with this owl, like I said, I did purchase this from Walmart. I think it was around $7 or so, and I just thought it was so cute. And what I want to do is to bling him out a little bit, give him a little swag, and also add some pearls to him.
This concludes this DIY. I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Leave us a comment in the comments section and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Be sure to go ahead and follow us on all of our social media platforms, and especially Mimi's Classic Crafts and More. Join our new Facebook group over on Facebook. We would love to have you there. Thanks so much for watching. Be blessed and stay favored. We'll see you in the next video.